Well, welcome back to another edition of Fun with Guns. Had a buddy ask me the other day, Brad, why is your suppressor so dang dong long? All you're doing is shooting a 243. It's not like you got a great big 478 Erga splitting wanging blaster that you gotta put a big old gallon jug size can on. I had to tell him about this. A lot of your short suppressors that you see in the videos and on the movies, they're sitting on 300 ACC blackouts with subsonic ammunition. They're sitting on 308s. Sitting on good combat weapons, but those are rounds that travel at 2650, 24, 22. They're kind of slow. The 243 on the other hand, my pet load, my hand loads, they run in excess of 3,000 feet per second. A lot of your factory, like Factory Fusion 95 grain, it's up there at 3,000. And your lighter bullets for varmint hunting, those things can exceed 3,200 plus. That's a whole lot of bang and snap coming out of the end of that barrel. Now this isn't a suppressor built by a big manufacturer. This one was custom built for me, ordered to my specifications. And I do have the paperwork. I had it built that way for a reason. Because I wanted that 243 that can be really loud and really sharp to get softened up quite a bit. We're going to fire several rounds of my pet load and factory load. Then we're going to screw that puppy off there and we're going to listen to the difference. I think you'll understand why I have a 12-inch long suppressor. I'm not trying to compensate for anything. Let's do it. Now let's pull this puppy off and see what she sounds like without that muffler. And you'll notice I don't do the quick mount, I go direct thread. There's a good reason for that too. Alright, see if she got a little noisier. I'll bet she did. go, boys and girls, friends and neighbors. That's why I have a big suppressor. I'm not compensating for anything. I'm fairly secure in my manhood. Much as I could be. Although the prime was 40 years ago. If you can afford one and you want one, make sure you get one that works right. Because if you get one that doesn't do a very good job, well, you're still going to be loud. I enjoy that one. It does a fine job. You can shoot that rifle all day long without earplugs. You don't put your earplugs in, you'll know you did something. Like I said, I just had that built long because I knew I was going to need it. You might look at a cartridge like a 243 and go, well, that ain't much. You got to remember that's a 308 case neck down with a smaller bullet. Higher velocity, higher speed, a little more sharpness to the report. Yeah, it's long, but I like it.